Watch this email list validation review and get lifetime access. Email list validation quickly and effectively cleans up your lists to make sure you are landing in the right inbox. Email list validation excels in purifying email lists, ensuring messages reach their intended recipients effectively. It rapidly processes large volumes of data, removing duplicates and invalid addresses to boost deliverability rates. Quickly clean your email lists to get rid of abandoned and invalid accounts. You'll be able to quickly clean up your lists using Email List Validation's bulk email verification tool. It's perfect for both new, unverified lists and your existing lists to give you maximum deliverability. Email list validation tools come to the rescue. These tools ensure your emails reach the right inbox, boosting campaign success. Email list validation measures accuracy meticulously. It checks each email against several touch points. These include syntax errors, domain validity, and spam traps. The process ensures only active and real emails remain. This precision keeps your bounce rate low and deliverability high. You'll also get real-time verification to stop bad emails before they get on your list in the first place. The real-time verification API lets you filter invalid emails right from the sign-up boxes. A precise email list means your campaigns perform better. Email list validation offers this precision, making it a must-have tool for marketers. Advanced matching algorithms, these tools detect and merge similar entries without data loss. Using the right tools, you can automate these processes, saving time and ensuring accuracy. Choosing the right email list validation service. It's essential to choose a service that cleans up your list and enhances your campaign's effectiveness. Email marketing thrives on reaching the right inbox. Email list validation is a key player in this field. Accuracy, cost-effectiveness, and user-friendliness are key when choosing an email list validation service. Email list validation tools are designed to streamline these tasks. They quickly scan your lists, identify duplicates, and remove them efficiently. With features like real-time processing and integration capabilities, these tools are both powerful and user-friendly. So, why not try it for yourself today? Just click on the list below description box as well. Start to achieve your goal. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks and happy moment.